Hello and good morning. This is Haley from Loop by Loop Studio, and I spent some time this morning stretching my smallest mini landscapes on little canvas frames and then affixing a frame back to the back of those so that I could now display them on a tabletop. So what I did is I am using a staple gun, some of the smallest staples I can find. Also, I mentioned these canvas pads that I bought off Amazon. I bought 6x6-inch canvas panels, and then the frame backs that I all bought on Amazon. And basically, I'm just using my staple gun, putting at least 3 staples on each edge and 1 on the corners, and I'm just stretching them onto this canvas pad. And the reason I'm doing this instead of gluing them is because I don't know that I always want to keep them on a canvas pad, so I wanted something that's removable. The staples are easily removable, and then I'm just using the stickers that came with the little frame backs and putting them on the top edge of each one of these panels. So it's a really easy, simple way, a very affordable way to frame. They're not framed, but I guess affix my rugs to a stable surface so then they can lean on a tabletop. I could put a hanger on the back as well so that they can hang on the wall. But for now, I know I want them to stand up because I'm bringing them somewhere to show tomorrow. So I just wanted them to sort of be leaning against themselves and on a table. And I didn't do a traditional frame because I really personally like the edge of my rug to be seen. And I don't like anything to kind of get in the way of that. So I didn't go the traditional route of framing. I like being able to see the edges of the rug, and I also like the that I could then unstaple these and take them off of this sort of framing mechanism that I made if I did want to frame them, or if I want to finish them in a different kind of way. So nothing here is permanent, but it's a great solution for just showing my rugs this weekend. So hopefully this helps you out and you can see at the end all my rugs framed and standing up, and also some of the bigger ones that I made. And those ones I didn't frame, but I just I pinned to a frame, a more traditional frame, because they're a little bit bigger. They're 8 by 8 inches. So this is just a little bit of the problem solving that I've done recently to kind of deal with these little tiny mini landscapes. So hopefully this helps. And if you have any questions, send me a message. Thanks. Bye-bye.